It's the Cedar.
Yeah, I do admit that it's pretty underwhelming in terms of the people that have got fired up and come out to have a look. It's like, if you count on, well, not one hand, but on two, probably. Like you said,
Yeah.
it's a fryer.
Okay.
Like you said,
Yeah.
unless people are coming out and just not posting on
Yeah,
the
but
birding.
I've been here a few times and
Yeah.
not seen anyone. Here we go.
It's like every time there's a big clump of them, it's like you're seeing it for the first time.
I know.
I can imagine what it was like for me living underneath the nature roof. I never got anything done in autumn. Honestly,
Yeah.
it's like
Oh, look at this here.
I'd run outside and watch them,
Watch
even
them,
though
yeah.
I'd seen them so many times. Look at these, look at these.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you could just do it all day. It's just so
Yeah.
pleasing. It is quite a different experience to Sugarloaf, because there you're sort of watching them